now we are going to do this topic. Raw material, we procured raw material right now, okay, from vendor. Now we are going to purchase or procure service related material from, means service from the vendor. So what all things required now? Vendor master required, service master required, then purchase order we will create. Okay, let's suppose in purchase order we will mention two. We are from any transport company, we are taking the purchasing the service from the transport company, 2000 kilometer, and for 1 kilometer 20 rupees, so total will be 20,000, right? So this is the, in purchase order we will mention this detail. And in purchase order also we will mention what we mention at a time of purchase order: vendor master, service master. And the ways material master was having two things, what important things: profit center and division. And division is indirectly linked with business area. Okay, so same way for service master also, in service master we will assign profit center and division. Means there is no difference of data, we will maintain same the way we used to maintain in the material master, but that was material and it is service. This is the difference.
Service.
But the things, the parameters same we are going to maintain in the service master. Vendor is same only, same, like same way we will update the vendor details. And then in the purchase order we will maintain these two things, vendor master and service master. Okay, and in the purchase order we will mention the, there we used to mention quantity, price, and those things. So the details also we are going to mention in the purchase order. Okay, so now at that time there used to be what, goods receipt, because we business used to receive goods. But here it will be service entry sheet will be posted in place of goods receipt, because services business is receiving services. Okay, so this is called as service entry sheet. The accounting entry will be generated first at a time of service entry sheet. What is the accounting entry? Transport account debit to SRIR clearing account credit. And then next will be invoice posting. Same invoice posting will be there. Okay, SRIR debit. Here it is not GRIR, it is SRIR, and we have done configuration is in OBYC. Okay, vendor invoice, and at last payment to the vendor. Okay, service master, and in place of goods receipt it is service entry sheet. That was MIGO, it is ML81 entity code. Okay, so please give heading. This one no need to write down, I have already shared this one, so please write down. Now see, we need to do one configuration that we have not done for this one. Okay, so please write down one configuration for this one, this topic, service procurement. You can write down service procurement heading, and below that one configuration we need to do for this one. So please write down the first give heading service procurement, and then give next one configuration heading. Maintain account assignment categories. Maintain account assignment categories. Maintain account assignment categories. Okay, so please write down the path: SPRO purchasing, purchasing, account assignment, purchasing. After that, account assignment. Okay, after account assignment, maintain account assignment categories. Maintain account assignment categories. This one. Okay, we will double click on this. Okay, here select K, because K means cost center. Now see this service account, our raw material, the type of raw material is asset account, right? Raw material is asset account, but the service which we are going to purchase, the GL account will be expense account. That is cost account. P&L account, cost account. So that will have effect whichever business is posting any expense related expense related things. So that is actually posted. That cost related, expense related are posted in the cost center also. In which particular cost center that expense have been booked. So that is that all expenses are booked in the cost center, different cost centers. So while doing the studying the CO part, we will see the cost center postings. But now we need to understand why I am doing this configuration, because this is not asset. This is that service related is expense. So for that we need to do this. We are doing this configuration. Okay. So select. I think this configuration is there only. But just right.
Z.
No, no, that one minute. I will tell you.
चलो
Right. I think it is already existing, so we need not to do. So you can write down if it is not existing, we should do. So select K. You please write down. Select if see you please write down. If it is there, then you guys can also skip. I am skipping this because it is already available. Select K account assignment category K. Select the K, which is cost center account assignment category, and click on copy as button. Okay, click on copy as button. Now change from K to Z. Click on copy as button and then change to Z. Change to Z and write down services. Services. Services without cost center. Services without cost center. Okay. Services without this one. Services without cost center. Okay. And here make optional two things, two fields. Make business area and cost center as optional. Make business area and cost center as optional. Okay. Make business area and cost center as optional and then save. Save. If this account assignment category is available in your system, then you guys also need not to maintain. If it is not there, then we should copy and this one. We should do this one. Okay. Okay. Since we have not done this costing part, controlling part, so that is why we are making these two options, these two fields optional. Okay. So now save, click on save in our TR. Then we will go and create what? We will create our, now please give next heading, create vendor master. Create vendor master centrally XK01. XK01. Create vendor master centrally XK01. Okay, 1 minute. Please give me a- Yeah, hello. Sorry. So now let's give this one create vendor xk01 centrally we are going to create, and now give company code li01, give purchase organization lpor, and give account group lsvs relief services vendor. Okay, and then click enter. Same way we are going to create our this vendor right now also, company title company, and give name this xyz services private limited. Okay, and in search term please give xyz street, uh, any street, any street. Okay, Hyderabad details only are giving, country in, and give region 36, postal code. Okay, and then after giving address details click enter. Okay, and give bank details, give bank details. Give in bank details, give country in, give bank key 083 0000109. You can see the screen also. And in bank account, in bank account give, in bank account give 73736 times 0, then 23983, 23983. In bank account holder name XYZ private limited. Okay,
XYZ services.
XYZ, yeah, XYZ services private limited. Okay, and then click enter, and here give first name. Give Mukesh. Okay, department give 0002, 0002, which is purchasing department. And this one function 02, head of purchasing, function 02, which is head of purchasing. Click enter, and give recon account we will give 150200, reconciliation account 150200, sort key 012, cash management group A1, cash management group A1, reconciliation account 150200, sort key 012, cash management group A1. Then click enter, give payment terms L001, credit memo terms L001, give payment method CT, check and bank transfer. Then click enter, again click enter. Now we have come to this TDS option, withholding tax option. Here give withholding tax country IN, give withholding tax country IN, and then give withholding tax type L1, withholding tax code CI, make it liable, recipient types company CO, CO. L1 CI liable and CO. This ABAP error again coming. Last time also it was coming. And now again from the beginning. I should do. No problem. LSVS company XYZ IN region is important. Address detail is important. Country IN country this one. Salary account holder. Okay. Enter. Enter. Last name. Okay. Copy paste. Enter. Enter. 150. Enter. Enter. Sorry. This is our L1. Sorry to L1 live. CO. CO. Okay. Enter. Okay. Enter. Okay. Yeah. So withholding text type, you can write down this L1. L1 withholding text type, withholding text code CI, label checkbox checked, and then recipient types CO company. Then again withholding text type L2, withholding text code CP only, right? CP, and then label checkbox checked and recipient types CO. These details please give and then click enter. Click enter. Okay. And here order currency, give order currency INR, give order currency INR, and terms of payment L001, terms of payment L001, import terms EXW, import terms EXW, and GR based invoice verification. GR based invoice verification. Okay. This is purchasing data we are maintaining, and then click on save. Click on save. Our 62 at last 22. This is our vendor. This is our vendor. Okay. Now let's create the service master. Vendor master we have created. Let's create a service master. So please give next heading, create service master. Create service master. Okay. Yeah. Write down the path. Create service master. Write down the path. SAP menu, logistics. SAP menu, logistics, material management, materials management, materials management, service master, service, AC03 service master, AC03 service master. AC03 is the T code, service master. Now, for every creation, it is AC0 at last 01, right? But this is the first exceptional case where it is showing AC03, and from there only we need to create. This is exceptional, exception. Okay, AC03 service master. Okay, so after coming here, you can see the screen. We need to click on create new service. Click on create new service. click on create new service. Here, beside this activity number, this description we will give Dilip freight service. Dilip, suppose Dilip is taking purchasing service, freight service. Dilip business people is purchasing Dilip freight service. Then service category purchasing SERV service SERV service purchasing unit of measurement km kilometer unit of measure km kilometer. Okay. After that, click enter. After that, click enter. Click enter. Below basic data, data, this material and service group. Here I will give LSR, our service group, LSR GRP. Give material service group LSR GRP. Then give division LS, Dilip service. Give valuation class 3200, which is service related valuation class 3200. Okay. After that, enter, enter, and then click on save. Okay, now it is saved. Delete freight service is now saved. Sometimes after saving, it does not get saved. So don't get panic. Click on this edit button and then again try to give the details and again save it. Okay. Sometimes we are saving and it does not get updated. In the left side you can see the list of the services. So ours is updated. Sometimes it does not get updated. Then simply click on edit button and try to give the details and save again. So let me come back again. I need to come. I will check whether Dilip. Yeah, you can see Dilip freight services is updated. Okay. Now, now, what is our number? Service master number 100 320 100 320. Service master 100 320. And now let's create service PO. Please give heading. Create service PO. Same path. Create service PO, not same path. Create service PO ME21N. Same T code and the way you used to PO, same it is that same path. So T code is ME21N. Now this time I'm not doing all process. I'm not doing all process, purchase requisition, those things I'm not doing. Directly I'm doing starting from purchase order this time. Okay. So create service PO. T code is ME21N. In case of that goods receipt, raw material purchase also, I could have done the same process. I could have started from purchase order only. Okay. It does not matter like if I am doing creating service. So it's not like that. If we can do from purchase requisition or we can do from here also. So this time I'm doing from here. Create service PO ME21N T code. Go to ME21N. Okay. And then give vendor. I am giving the same exact that vendor 62000 at last 22 XYZ Services Private Limited. I am giving the vendor. Okay. And then give purchase organization. Give purchase organization LPOR. Give purchase group LPG. And give company code LI01. Give company code LI01. Okay. In account assignment, In account assignment A, give here K. Okay, K means cost center related because we are going to do, and I means item category. In item category, I'm selecting D. D means C
Z,
means services.
Z we have given, no?
We have maintained Z. Yes, 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 yes. Let us maintain Z. Yes. Okay. So account segment category Z, and then give here item category D. D means services, and then give short text. Material we will not give. Okay. Give short text. Transport service. Give short text transport service, and then give material group. Material group is our LSR GRP plant LMP1. Okay, these all details please give. Short text transport service, material group LSR GRP plant LMP1, and then click enter. Click enter.
Z
Combination
notice.
of item category. This is not defined. Okay. See, item category D and item categories that may not be entered for the same time. The permissible combination for item category account purchasing. Okay. We have done that conflicts. Let's me come back to that conflict. Okay. A, this is the cost center which we want to, which we are giving here. Okay. Right cost center, and that one we simply copied, right? We simply copied and we have prepared. We have, you know, make that. Okay. It is not taking, but if I am giving it K, okay, K it is taking, but Z it is not taking. Why it is not taking Z? Okay. See why it is not taking? Because let me remove this one. Actually, unnecessarily I created this Z. There was no use of this, Z with K also, because in K also we could have done the no need of this Z, because why? Let's see. This is Z only. Okay. So here what I did, I made this these two optional, business area and cost center optional. Now you can see here also. So this is not unnecessarily I omitted this one. This is our K. You can write down. You can write down like it is optional. No need to maintain like that. You can change in your configuration. Okay, and this is same only, right? So no need to do this one. This is here also you can see business area and cost center optional only. Okay, but system is not allowing with Z. Okay, so unnecessarily I maintain that Z, but you can keep that configuration. Maybe we need in future, but right now it is not required because with K only we are able to do. We are able to proceed with K. Okay, so K in account assignment category K, and in item category D. D means services. And after giving these all details, After giving those details, material group client, click enter, and here we will give our service number, freight services 100 320, 100 320. Okay, and give quantity, give give short text, transport service, give quantity 2000. Okay, price 20, and this is a unit of measure, kilometer. Enter. Now please write on this. Same service number I am giving. Dot text. Transport service quantity 2000, unit of measurement kilometer. Gross price. Okay, gross price this 20, and then click enter. Then click enter. Click enter. Now see. Now the new thing has come into the picture. Now, if you guys can remember, what will be the accounting entry generated at a time of service entry sheet? See, at a time of goods receipt. Okay, so I explained you guys how it will be triggered.
Inventory to GRI.
Yeah, but inventory, from where inventory will be triggered? Inventory will be triggered
My
from which configuration? From in OBYC, from BSX, inventory will be triggered, right? Raw material inventory
mm,
account. And for GRIR, GRIR will be triggered from WRX. Okay.
mm,
This time, what we are procuring, we are procuring not this goods, raw material. We are not procuring. We are going to procure what services. So we have configured WRX for SRIR clearing account. Same like GRIR, we have configured that also. Okay. For that, okay. But for services, did we have you done any configuration?
No.
Automatic GL effects we have not done, right? So that is why system is asking for that. You maintain GL account. System is correct only. We have not maintained the GL account. That is why system is asking for the GL account, so that this services GL will be what? It will be triggered at the time of ML81 and posting, service receipt posting. Okay. So now here, so where we can do this one, either we should do manually, okay, or we should do one configuration, then we are able to do this one. Okay, so let us do this configuration. Same in OBYC. We will do this one in OBYC. 1 minute. Yeah. Please write down, go to OBYC. Okay. So either
Yeah.
we can give GL account there only, or we can go to OBYC. So you can write down, go to OBYC, OBYC, and in OBYC, so at the time of this one, service entry we are studying. So you please see the screen. This will be triggered from WRX, right? In OBYC, WRX business transaction. But this will be triggered from GBP. In OBYC, it will be triggered from same like GRIR clearing account from WRS, but it is not goods, it is now service, so it will be triggered from GBP. So that's what we need to do in configuration. Okay, so go to OBYC and double click on GBP, offsetting entry for inventory posting, GBP, offsetting entry for inventory posting. Double click on GBP and then give chart of account LOCA, give chart of account LOCA, continue, continue, then general modification, valuation class. Select three check boxes: general modification, valuation class. Okay, and then click on save. Click on save. Our valuation modification is L001, L001, general modification, VBR, VBR, valuation class 3200, right? For services, it is 3200, and GL account, that transport GL account I am giving, transportation GL account. Now, these three things are, you guys are familiar with valuation modification. You guys are familiar with valuation class also. For
Valuation
different
modification.
category, we give different valuation class, right? Okay. For raw material, we had given 3000 standard valuation class. For services, it is 3200. We are assigning which GL account? Transportation GL account. These three are clear to you guys, I think so. So now, but for this general modification, why we are selecting? This is VBR. Okay, VBR we are selecting for now for this service for service receipt related, service related. We are giving in GVB, VBR we are giving. Okay, this one please remember this one, this thing. Okay, so now save in our TR. Okay, and then now this GL is updated. This GL is updated. Now again write down. Now again go to PO. Again go to purchase order. Means again we need to come back like ME21N. Stop. It is not allowing. Yes, data. Okay, so now enter. Now you can see the GL account is triggered, right? Automatically it came. Please see one more time. Please see the screen. Enter. GL account is coming from OBYC, from GBB, VBR. Okay, now we did not maintain this one in, see, division we maintain, but from division, in case of service master, it is not picking business area, but in case of material master, it picks. Okay, but in case of service master, it is not picking. One thing. Another thing, in material master we are assigning profit center, but in service master there was no option to assign profit center. That's why profit center and business area, profit center is very clear. Yeah, we need to, because in service master there is no option to maintain profit center, but we have option to maintain profit center where in material master. Okay, and also in service master, with the help of division, it does not pick business area. That's why we need to give these two things manually here. Okay, LHYD. And it's suppose we have not done that configuration, GBB configuration, we could have directly given this GL here. Means manually we could have given, but I have done the configuration. Automatically also we can bring this GL. Okay, so give GL, give this business area, LHYD, profit center 1000, and continue. Click continue. Now you can see the error message. Write down this error message. GL account cannot be used. GL account, this GL account cannot be used. Okay, means 4 lakh. Transportation GL account cannot be used. Okay, so because go to FS00, go to FS00, go to FS00, 4 lakhs GL. Okay, Okay. What is the field status group? G004. Go to FS00, give 4 lakhs GL. Okay. Then click on create bank interest tab. Go to field status group G004. Okay. Double click on additional account assignment. Additional account assignment. Why it is not allowing to make change? Page down. It is not allowing to change. I need to come to OBC for them. OBC4.
Enter, I mean, edit we didn't click now then.
Edit
FS
option is
double
not
zero.
there. Huh? FS00 will directly you can come or you can go to from here also. Here it is actually it was showing only display from FS00, so that's why I came here. So page down, page down. Okay. Select additional account assignment, page down, keep unmarked funds, unmarked, unmarked funds, keep optional. Okay. Special region also we need to make optional. Make special region also optional. These two things, unmarked funds make optional. Page down, keep special region optional. Save. Okay. Now again come to PO, service PO. Again come back to service PO. Enter. Okay. Again I will go to service. Means again what I need to do, check. Again I need to come back from
Refresh.
refresh. How to refresh this one? Or again I need to give all details. Message. Come back. Again I need to, I think there is no option. So SS ME21M, ME21M. Again I need to come back. Okay. Vendor XYZ. Purchase all. This one I will give K D text PO quantity. PO quantity was
Blank.
no quantity was there. Material blank. Quantity is 2000. 2000. Unit of measurement kilometer. Net cost calculate this one. Service master.
Look here.
So Shravanti is correct only. I gave wrong. Shravanti is correct. Above I should not have given because it is below only I should have given, right? So I gave wrongly because I'm getting late for my office. I need to get ready. So that is why in hurry I'm doing. This one, this one, this one, this one. K D text text. Then just material service and plant. Start given. Enter. Service number. Transport service 2000 kilometer and 20. Okay. Business area. GL is coming. LH is coming. YD 1000, continue. Now see, every details is, it is taking the details, right? Now you can write down business. You guys have written down, right? Business area profit center. Then click on check. Now no message issued. Now this PO is fine, perfectly fine. Then save this PO. Now this purchase order is generated. Okay. Let me save this PO. SR PO. This one. Okay. Now next, give next heading service entry sheet. Service entry sheet. We will do just like goods receipt we used to do. Here we are doing this one, service entry sheet. Okay. So write down, write down the path. Write down the path. SAP menu logistics. Write down the path. SAP SAP menu logistics. SAP menu logistics MM. Please write down fast. SAP menu logistics MM. After MM service entry sheet. After MM service entry sheet ML81 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 81N maintain. Okay. Double click on that.
Emulating.
ML81N Madras London 81 Netherlands. Okay. And after that, after coming to this screen, please see the screen. Click on other purchase order. Click on other purchase order. And here we need to give the same hour service entry related purchase order. Okay. And then click enter. Click and give purchase order and click write down. Click on other purchase order option button, and then small pop-up is opened. Here give purchase order and click enter. Click enter. Okay. Click enter. Now you can see it has come, right? All details is coming like that. No,
हाँ गुलशन का
this is not our. Why it is not taking our? Enter. Okay. Okay. After giving this one, click on create entry sheet. Sorry. After giving PO is accepted. You can see PO it has taken. Click on create entry sheet. Click on create entry sheet and give short text transport service. Transport service Hyderabad to Vizag. Hyderabad to Vizag. Account assignment category K, which is taking by default. External number. Let's suppose I am giving external number. Our PO last 5 digit 22470. Okay, service location HYD period. Today's period only. Suppose let's I'm giving 2 days it will take. Today and tomorrow for 2 days. Okay. Click on service selection. Okay. Click on service selection. Okay. Here from purchase order. From purchase order. Enter. From purchase order and then click enter. Okay. Click enter. Now select line. Select this line 10 line. And then click on adopt services. Click on adopt services. Okay. Click on adopt services. Then accept services. select this one. Okay, select again this line and click on accept. Click on accept. Now you can see this transport service Hyderabad to Vizag is now from red to yellow. It is turned. Okay, means it will be accepted. This this is, you can see this yellow color. Okay, and after that at last save. Okay, now see, now again this error is coming. This GL account is not consistent. Is not consistent. Why? Okay, so there is one error. So that we need to see this error. Where is error log? This only balance in local currency we got for, you remember, we got for this one also. I think that is the reason only for here, for this one also. Let me make the change. SS00 17. Let me first be sure where that is the reason also. I think that is the reason. Only balance in local currency. Save it. Now we'll go back to back. Come back. Again I need to do things. Okay, again I need to do ML let you on. Okay, the purchase order. Enter. So now it has come, and then create. Okay, continue order. HYD create. Concept. Okay, there. Service select from purchase order. Okay, I will select this one, adopt. Okay, select this one, accept, and then save. Yeah, that was the issue. Means in SIR GL account, only balance in local currency we should have selected. So that was the issue. So this is done. This is done. Now you please write down, if this error comes, then please make to the only balance in local currency selection in FS00. Okay. So now it is posted. It is posted now. So please see the screen. From environment menu, or right from environment menu, select purchase order history. Now you can see WE is also posted. WE means service entry receipt. FI documents. Now see transportation account debit plus, and this is credit. SIR using account. It is not GRI, it is coming SRI. Okay. So now after that, last we will do MIRO. Please give heading MIRO. Or we will do next class, okay? Because I'm getting late for my office. So we will do this one next class. Tomorrow we will do MIRO, and one more topic we have left, price difference topic we have. So those two things we will discuss in tomorrow class. Logistics. After logistics, materials. After logistics, materials management. Okay, after logistics, after logistics invoice verification. After logistics invoice verification. After logistics invoice verification, document entry. After logistics invoice verification, document entry. And after document entry, MIRO, enter invoice. MIRO, enter invoice. Okay, so we'll double click here. Suppose here can you see the screen? Here it is, suppose it has taken other company code. So how we can change the company code here? We will go to edit, switch to company.
Switch.
Okay,
Mm.
so like that we can change the we can bring our company code. Okay, okay, okay. So since it is our company code only, so there is no issue. So here, please give, we'll give invoice date. I will give today's date only. Okay. And PO. And now what is our PO that we had noted down somewhere? Mm, Service appreciate. Let me just a minute. I need to find the title of ME23 and is display PO. Okay.
Okay.
Display purchase order ME23. So I will go and I will try to find out my same that PO.
4500022470.
Huh? This one only, right? This,
Oh.
but this is goods receipt. This is service entry.
ऊपर है.
Yeah, yeah, that is correct. This one only, right? This one only we have.
No, correct.
This is our XYZ,
Yes.
and yeah,
Services.
okay, yeah, this one only.
Bro, recording, huh?
Yes, sir. Recording is started. Yes. So I will take this service entry sheet, and then I will come to my. I have come to MIRO, and in MIRO, below you can see PO reference. In PO reference, purchase order is there. Purchase order slash scheduling agreement. Here, simply I will give my paste my purchase order. Enter. You can write down. Give. Please write down PO purchase order slash scheduling agreement. Here, beside that field, give purchase order. Give purchase order and give reference also. Service entry. Give reference also. Now you can see details have come 40,000. Okay, from service and receipt. Okay, so I will copy the amount, write down. Put purchase order in the beside this PO and scheduler agreement. Then give reference also. After that, copy the amount. Copy the amount from like right side up. Copy the amount 40,000 and paste below here. Paste in basic data. Enter. Okay. Now always see this message. Can you see this message? Means there is something, some error is there. That's why it is showing as red. So if there is no error, then it will show as it will not show it will show as green or yellow. But red means it is red bulb means there is some error in our this noise. So we will see what is the error.
Postings.
No, please write down this error. Account this transportation GL account, expense account, this 4 lakhs has been set as not relevant for tax. Please write down this. Okay, means this GL account, for this GL account, tax is not activated. Okay, this has not been set as relevant for tax. Okay, so for that
Okay,
we
but here also, one question. Here also we didn't give any taxes, right?
we will not pay any tax, but we will keep that zero, means tax code zero. I have select. I have created tax code with zero. Since it is required, means zero tax code we need to give. Since it is required for invoice posting, that's why with zero tax code we will post. There will not be any tax code.
Which
We have created V0 A0, input tax output tax zero only this time. So it is
mm-hmm.
required. So zero we will give. Okay. So please write down this error you guys have written out.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now please go to FS00. Go to FS00 to fix this error. Okay, 4 lakhs. I will give this 4 lakhs transportation GL. Control data, change it. So anytime this error is coming, even when we are doing any other activity also, and this error is coming, so simply we should come here. Tax category star means any tax category we can give, and posting without tax allowed also. Select these two things. Anytime this error is coming while doing other activity also, how to fix this error? We need to come to for that GL account in FS00, give a tax category star means we can use any tax category for this GL. Okay, whether it is any tax category we can use, and then posting without tax allowed also we have selected this checkbox. Then simply save. Then this error will be resolved. Okay, so write down tax category star and posting without tax allowed checkbox. Tick. Okay. After that, again come back to our PO. Come back to our PO, and then click on simulate. Click on simulate. Allowed posting. Again error. Okay. Means I should come back and again. So I need to
Refresh.
yes, refresh. I need to do. So refresh is not there. I need to go back and come back again. Refresh option I'm not getting. So I think I should let me come back. You can write down come back and again come to same um, this mirror, and then same thing I'm giving. Enter. Okay. Now copy. I will copy this balance from other. And I will paste here. Now please notice one thing.
No
You can see
messages.
message has gone. Okay, it is showing on right side message. There is no red bulb message, and it is showing balance as green only. Now I will after that click on simulate. Why it is not showing me? Allowed posting period. Okay, you guys noticing one thing? Posting period. Our posting period 2 and first is open, right? 2 means April, May. Now we have entered in June. This posting
June.
period, it is telling about posting period, not FI posting period. This is posting period, PV, RV. This is not OB52 FI posting period. And so that, and we have entered to June, means June is our third, April, May, June. But we only first and second period are open, So we need to go and we need to open that posting period. Otherwise, we will not able to close. That's why this message is coming again and again. So let me go to RV LI01 second and first open. I will come back. Now I will go to slash and MMP MMPV period. Third I want to open fiscal year 2024 execute. Okay. Now RV I will check. It is open now. Okay. Third is open. Previous period is second. So done. So now let's come back to here. So again I need to do the same. I need to come back. I will give my same details again. Now again error is there. No error. So that
I didn't enter.
simulate is working. Okay. Now this MIRO including TDS also, because vendor we printed XYZ and we had assigned what? We had assigned this with tax type and tax code, you remember. So that is why it is taking TDS. If in vendor we would not have given this tax code and tax type, it could not have come. So since we have assigned that, only we want, that is the reason it is coming correctly. TDS. Okay. So now come back. Again message. PAN not available. So write down this error message. PAN not available. So to do the TDS posting, PAN should be available, right? How we can update this? We have covered this, right?
Yeah.
Please tell me how.
Company address.
XK02, yes, change vendor. Yes, so in change vendor we will go and address and then CIN details. Let me XK02 XYZ only address. Okay, here first CIN details, write down, go to XK02, then select address checkbox here, go to XK02, select address checkbox. Okay, then click enter. Okay, and here CIN details, then select CIN details. Okay, come to withholding tax tab, select CIN details, then select withholding tax tab. Okay, give PAN number, this one, PAN reference, valid from first, PAN reference company, PAN valid from 1st April 2024 I am giving. Okay, come back and save. You can just save. Okay. Now again come back to that MIRO and simulate and post. Simulate and then post. You can see this document is created. My document is created. Okay. So from here also we can see that this we can see this posted document, MIRO document, invoice document header. How we can see invoice document? You can write down invoice document and then display. Invoice document at header, then display. Okay. Invoice document header, then display, and then follow on documents. Follow on documents. Now you can see the this general entry. Okay.